Yeah, this is Aihanunwa Festus, aka Feshi Baba, and I'm addressing the Billion Coin community. So today I have an issue I want to address. It's the issue of um, I always try to make my videos as a result of the complaints I get. Now I discovered that for some time now I get more complaints on send buttons. People don't get they don't understand what is happening. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know if they don't read the blog, they don't understand what's going on. Many people don't want to learn. So okay, let me just go straight down to what I making this video for. Now, in as much as you have paid the $10 wallet fee, your send button is definitely going to come on. I want to emphasize on that, so I'm going to repeat it again. In as much as you have paid the $10 wallet fee, your send button will definitely come on. Now, um, there are two things involved here. Let's dissect the issue. Now, TBC community is actually what we're actually waiting for the migration. That's when everybody's send button is going to come on. Now, the admin discover that the current coin network we are currently on, that is before we migrate to a new coin network, the current coin network is a bit stable for now. So he got that impression. He decided to turn on 1,000 send buttons. 1,000 cent, but he decided to turn on 1,000 cent buttons. So because the current coin network is a bit stable, so it can at least accommodate 1,000 cent buttons. So he decided to make this a criteria. He wants to know those that are actively promoting TBC, those who are ready to promote TBC. So he created a criteria. Now this is the criteria. Do you want your send buttons to be turned on before the migration? The migration is when everybody migrates to a new coin network that is more stable, that can accommodate everybody in as much as you have paid the $10 wallet fee, lifetime wallet fee. That is when that is the migration. Now, since the coin network is kind of stable for now, the admin wants to turn on 1,000 cent buttons. He's doing this because he has us in mind. So okay, since it's stable, before the migration, let me turn on a few more send buttons. Let me turn a few more send buttons. And this action of the admin has actually brought a kind of boost to the TBC community. It has made it has like rejuvenated people's mind. It has given us power. It actually brought some kind of it brought hope to the TBC community. A lot of people are very happy now. You see testimonials every day on the testimonial page in the Billion Coin Info website. So it was actually a good how will I put it? It was a good play from the admin. It was a good step. It was the right direction from the admin. That decision to turn on send, but it was a right. It was a nice move from the admin. Let me use that word. So sorry for that. This is Hannah Festus still talking. So let's continue. Um, Now, do you want your send buttons to return on before the migration? Do this simple, very easy thing. Make a video, promote TBC. Make a video, promote TBC. Tell us why you believe in TBC. Tell people out there. Create a video on YouTube or post it on the site. As easy as that. In 10 minutes, you're done. TBC rocks, guys. As I always say, I believe in TBC. I so much believe in TBC. You can check the link in the description below. You see my group. a group I manage. Please join that group. I post there daily. I make a lot of posts there. Then if you have any questions, you have inquiries, you're new, you don't know much about the TBC community, you can click on that group link to take you directly to my group. Join the group, and you get to meet me there. That is where I am actually. That's where I actually do all the work. Okay, so it means once you pay the $10 wallet fee, your send button will definitely come on during the migration. After we migrate to the new coin network, which is stable, everybody is going to have their send button. But do you personally want a send button before the migration? Then do a video. So doing a video is not actually compulsory. It's not a must. Admin is not saying, oh, if you don't do a video, you're not going to get a send button. No, you're actually going to get a send button. Even in the blog post, the admin said even those that have issues with discounting, I think I'll make another video on that. Issues with discounting, it's still going to turn on your send button, in as much as you have paid the $10 wallet fee. So, guys, I'm sorry, I'm kind of feeling a headache right now. Okay, so let me just end it here. So I hope you get what I'm actually saying. I'll be very grateful if you can subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to it so you can get more updates. After subscribing, you see something like a bell icon. Please click on it so that anytime I make a video, you are alerted. YouTube will actually send you a notification that I have actually made a video. Please do that. I'll be very grateful. Then you can also give me you can also smash the like button if you actually get what I'm saying. This is Aihanunwa Festus. I plan on bringing you more updates. Okay, guys, bye for now.